I'm not sure if a lot of people are aware that we do have a preventative maintenance plan available for outdoor lighting systems. And I've come in here many a times before and talked about some of the benefits of outdoor lighting, some of the great things you get away from it. None of those things can really exist in the long term if you don't take care of the lighting system. So a lot like any other mechanical thing, your car, on your house, your air conditioning, lots of other parts, it needs routine maintenance. It needs to be taken care of. And since it is in the landscape, which is a living, breathing, growing thing, you have to address some of those factors too. So a few of the things we do is we come in, we clear plant material, we make sure all the fixtures are aimed, we make sure they're clean, make sure there's no trash, mulch, leaves, debris on the lenses, make sure that any hard water stains get removed. So we go through a 16-point checklist, as well as do a lot of routine maintenance services to make sure these things are working. So, and then for those that live in a, closer to salt water, it's really important that we go through and we wipe all those fixtures down at least twice a year and get the salt spray, get the salt air off of them. So even though a lot of, we're installing a high quality brass fixture that has a nice finish that can withhold the salt air and the heat and the humidity, it's still important, and it helps the finish and it helps the fixture's longevity to come through and wipe that salt off. That's a big deal. And some of the other things, the reclaimed water leaves a lot of hard water stains.
Right.
And if it's not reclaimed water that comes out of the sprinklers, it's a lot of times it's well water, which leaves an iron stain. So, there's these things that happen just in the natural landscape that happen out in the outdoor environment that just cause things to wear. So it's really helpful, it's really important, it's really valuable to go through that, and we do offer that as a service. But if we're not doing it for you, it's important that it at least gets done by someone. But if you're busy and you're a professional and you have a lot of other services, this is a service that you should have to take care of some really, really important items that help you extend the hours of your evening.
Yeah.